ngangiphuza iCoca-Cola mina baba ayibizi kakhulu. So bobabili uDlomo noMbeki bangena from Mozambique baphethe suitcase, an ordinary looking suitcase. Kanti fihla izinto eziserious lapha ngaphansi. Bayayazi lamadoda esasisebenza nawo la. Ngikathi kuleli nkuleka likhizwe ngake ngaba nelinye igama solo ngaba uJacob Zuma nje. Kulapha kupheleka ngaba negama elithe phecelezi. uJames Nhlapho. Benginele ngisho njalo nje abathi abekunena awusigegede. Angikwazi nami ukudlula lapho kusigegede uthi ukudlula kuthweni. Ngaliqanjwa leli gama ama comrade because bathanda banomsaka abantu baseSwazini ukubuza ukuthi ungowaka bani ke wena. So babe ngafuni ukungichaza ukuthi uJacob Zuma bathi uJames Nhlapho. Ngalithola kanjalo. But seriously speaking, uma ukhuluma ngeSwaziland, of all the countries in Southern Africa that contributed in a very unique way, you are talking about a country that I believe many of us, particularly the comrades, would have to find an opportunity to tell their own stories. Some of them are touched upon by the book. Swaziland has a history with South Africa because we are the same people, basically. But it also has a history politically with the ANC. As you heard, at the formation of the ANC, Swaziland Kingdom was represented and made a contribution. And particularly, King Sobhuza was very proud of this and was very much aware of it. And thus, because of his vision and understanding, he allowed us to operate in Swaziland. And he did it in a Swazi way, because you couldn't pin him down. Nobody could go and say, Inkosi iyasivumela ukuthi sisebenze la. Because wayebeka isiswati. And he was very much aware of what was happening. And he was also aware that we were not all the same. There were those, as it was a case even within South Africa, who were bought by the enemy. And there were many. And many of the attacks that happened here in Swaziland were as a result of the information given by those who worked for the enemy. But he said also to President Tambo, ukuthi uma senisebenza la nazi ukuthi amaswazi ayisupporta ngokugcwele ANC, kodwa nazi ukuthi akhona ahlafuna ngemhlathe emibili, ahlafuna eBloemfontein, ahlafuna nala kwami. Nikubheke lokho. Just a warning that as you proceed, you must know we are dealing with human beings. He was a very profound king. And I think it was because of his vision, his approach to things, that made us feel comfortable. I had an opportunity today to be blessed by His Majesty, the King. And we talked about a few of these things. And I remembered a story of a comrade who was here, Comrade Albert Lomo, who worked with me and the president in South Africa, Thabo Mbeki. Besithanda uhlala phe George, and it is in the book, and I think Elias asked a question, ukuthi kazi le mali okuphuzwa ngayiphuma phi. Ngangiphuza iCoca-Cola mina baba. ayibizi kakhulu. So bobabili uDlomo noMbeki bangena from Mozambique baphethe suitcase, an ordinary looking suitcase. Kanti fihla izinto eziserious lapha ngaphansi. Bayayazi lamadoda esasisebenza nawo la. Kuthi wawufihla pha esuitcase-ini. Into enzima. Lize lithi malimile licheck. Mangabe ngoba lifaka into ezincane nje licheckiswe yini. Base befaka iliterature ngaphezulu. The problem was that the literature was communist literature. So amaphoyisa kangwanathi again mina kancane ke soyibheka lezi ncwadi azise stake. Lahlala isutcase lokubetha awukeni sinike bo isutcase lethu sifuna lezi ncwadi ziyadlula ngoba sasiye siqamba manga sindo ziyadlula noma engadluli. Hayi bathi sizonika kwenzeka ke upresident waya elusake yo report. Mina ngangena ngaphakathi ekhaya wasala yedwa uDlomo. Angene nje for 2 weeks. Uthe ehlele George namaphoyisa ala kangwana. Uyawaxoxa ukuthi hey nini. Nihleli nesuitcase lapha estake. Lapha loqhuma khona lela police station yobe graveyard. Athe amaphoyisa uthini? Uthini Dlomo? Wale ngentshandaba. Hlalani nje nesuitcase lethu. Neyosola laba bosinda. Amaphoyisa aqonde esuitcase-ini. Alithola nje ukuthi ngempela lesinda khipha incwadi. Noma selisele lilodwa lisesinda. Babiza uDlomo baDlomo vula. Kwaphuma ama explosives lapho nepistol eyodwa itete. Angikho ngise South Africa mangifika eborder ngiyabuya ngiyakhokha ukuthi uDlomo phakathi. Kwenze njani? Ubanjiwe. Galela suitcase. Kwaphuma izinto la so amaphoyisa akaseyo report enkosini. Kuthi sibambile kulabafana bakaThambo khona simbambile. Usitshene ukuthi kunento ezosibulala. Wakhipha ke uthi ke ushilo beyikhona ngempela suitcase bathi impela. Nangempela nafike nayithola lezi zinto impela sitholile. Uthi phone imbambelana. Angathi umuntu enisitile. Nihlele ngozini. Wathi khiphani mfana kaThambo, khiphani. Sambona nangengena, hawu Dlomo kwenze njani? Ayisengikhishiwe. Inkosi ke leyo yakangwane eyayazi ukuphendula izinto. Ngake ngayizwa ihlasela amaphoyisa lawo umgwaqo. Ngelinye ilanga ivele ku TV ithi angwathi ukuthi amaphoyisa entelani lento. Abeka ispeed trap bese casha. Kuba awanqandi ingodi because fanele amobala abantu bababona. Bacashelane. Very great logic. But there are many things we could talk about in Swaziland that I believe we would do so. Firstly, with regard to the comrades, there are many comrades here who passed through Swaziland, who went through a lot. And some of the comrades who passed through Swaziland and went for operations were arrested and went to Robben Island. And some were arrested and sentenced to death and indeed hanged. Solomon Mahlangu passed through here, and many others. There are many who died here in Swaziland, poisoned some of them assassinated. I believe this book begins to say to all of us, it's time for us to tell the story of our struggle. All sides. About ourselves, about the guerrillas of the ANC, MK members, What type of people were they? Their bravery, their large understanding in Swaziland as to how should they behave for the sake of our struggle and of our movement. Among the places that will feature not only in the book written by Elias, house number 43. I think there are many other houses. Flat number 8, for an example, will feature